Hi food fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. On our menu today is Oha Soup. Just take a look at this rich delicious pot of Oha Soup. You can already tell it's going to slap, right? Let's cook this together. I started off the cooking process by steaming the meat. I'm seasoning it with seasoning cubes, salt, and some sliced onions. I'll mix everything well to combine and allow it to cook in its juice for some minutes. Now the meat water is almost dried up. I'm adding more water so the meat can cook thoroughly. At this point, I went in with some washed stockfish so it can cook well with the kpomo and goat meat. Our meat is 70% done, so I'm going in with some palm oil. After that, I'm going to add in the pepper mix, which consists of pepper and crayfish. I'm going to mix that thoroughly and allow so that everything will combine properly. I checked on the soup and it's coming together beautifully. I tasted it and adjusted the seasoning cubes and salt as needed. At this point, I'm using some of the soup base to dissolve the cocoyam powder. I'm making use of 2 sachets of the cocoyam powder. This method helps me to get a smooth paste and prevents lump in the soup. I think I underestimated the cocoyam powder I had. I usually need 3 to 4 sachets of cocoyam powder to make a pot of soup. But today, just 2 sachets of it seemed like a lot. It looks like this particular one I bought is from a different company. The soup is too thick, so I'll add in some water to lighten it. I had to add more water because the soup was too thick. If you prefer yours thick, that's totally fine, but I personally like mine moderately thick. I'll keep adjusting with water until I get the consistency I want. Next, I'm adding some Ogiri Okpei. I'll dissolve it in a bit of water before pouring it into the soup. This right here takes your hot soup to another level. Now I'm going in with the washed and hand-torn oha leaves. Nothing fancy, I just used my fingertips to tear them. If you've watched up to this point and haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, it's completely free. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a new video. I'm going to adjust with a little more water, and voila, our yummy pot of oha soup is ready to be enjoyed with any swallow of your choice. Let me know in the comments which swallow you would love to pair with this soup. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.